Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. I'm going to experiment today. I have heard that if you mix a little bit of just soap and some water and spray it, you will get cells. And I've also heard that if you spritz alcohol, rubbing alcohol on your paint, you will also get cells. Plus, I have leftover bright colors, the brights, and I always end up with mud. So I'm going to try and layer them, and I'm going to put white. And I've picked out a, what's it called? A metallic white. I think it was, here it is. No, that's not it. Goodness, it's right in front of my nose. Okay. Pearl white metallic from Folk Art, and I made up a little bit of this, and I'm just going to layer it in between to see if I can not get so much mud, but we will see. This is experiment day. We're just learning, and nothing's a fail. It's always a lesson. All right, so shall we get to work? Yeah? And there you have it. The layering, not so much. There is quite a bit of muddy brown in there, but it is kind of pretty. The first squirt bottle I used was the dish soap and water, and that made the big white, the bigger cells. And then I spritzed it with the alcohol, and I think that kind of broke up those bigger cells and made them, well, very interesting. Is this a technique I'm going to be doing again? Probably not. I don't think this tile is going to see the light of day. You might like it. I do not. The colors, especially these brights, are, yeah, they're just killing me here. I'm going to use what I have without the green. I'm pretty sure the green is the culprit in here. I'm not going to swear to it, but yeah, pretty bad. Anyway, learned a lesson. If you want some really cool looking cells, now these cells from the dish soap and water, very cool looking. I might do that again. The alcohol, I probably should have used my smaller tiles and tried each. Maybe I'll do that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, got some inspiration, got up the courage to really, if you think of it, try it. No regrets. Just try it. You're not going to hurt anything. Honestly, this is going to just slide right off with no problem. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And I promise I won't take so long to get back to you. I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.